Hey guys, I'm Nina and I'm back with another video. I'm going to share with you the second year of my loc journey. If you haven't seen the first year of my journey, definitely go back and watch that so you can have some context. I will be doing all of the years up to year 4.5, so stay tuned for those and I hope you enjoy. So here I am on my 1-year anniversary of my loc journey. The second year of my loc journey was more about the flexibility of my locks versus the length. I finally started doing real curls on my hair with flexi rods. I kind of felt dowdy with my curls this short, but I really appreciated getting to see the true versatility of locks because you can truly do so much with them. For those of you who watched the first year of my journey, I actually got real clips to retwist my hair with and not bobby pins. And I was retwisting my locks every 2 weeks, shampooing and retwisting. And I was using some conditioner, not a lot. At this point, I really started to feel like my locks were something that were part of me now versus something that I was working around. Because when you have baby locks, you know they're in transition, and so you're not really comfortable 100% yet. But as my hair began to mature, I definitely felt more confident in it, more feminine with it. And I really appreciated this new level of control that I had over my locks. Even though my curls were pretty short at this point, I still kept trying because I wanted to see how good I could get, how precise I could get. I started to get a lot of little beady beads at the end of my locks, and they would either fall off or I would just pull them off because at this point that hair was not going to lock. In the summer of 2015, I really began to enjoy my locks. I loved the effect that this old color that I did when I was a loose natural, I love the effect that it had on the ends of my locks. That summer I experimented with pipe cleaner curls for the first time. They were super tight, but I really enjoyed the look when I took the pipe cleaners out and then just let the curls hang still intact. As I was saying earlier, this part of my journey was not about growth very much. At this point in the summer though, I could really see the growth, especially in this picture. I was constantly monitoring my scalp, making sure that the parts were intact, but they also weren't thinning out. And then we hit the fall, and things got a little bit more complicated. I decided to color my locks myself with a box color, and it was a horrible mistake. I absolutely hated the color. I felt like it was so flat. Because the thing is, locks don't reflect light the way loose hair does, so you need to create dimension and shine. I tried to strip the color with a hot oil treatment, and that didn't work. And then I said, you know what? I have worked way too hard on my locks. I've come too far to start damaging them now, so I decided to just wear the color for 3 months and leave it alone. So this is why I take such a hard line now on recommending that you go to a professional to get your hair colored. The color didn't kill me though, so I went on with it, and I felt like gradually it was fading, and then I just started to enjoy myself a little more as I was doing with my locks, wearing lots of braidouts. At 1 year and 9 months, December 2015, I decided that it was time to color it again, and so I went black, and I was happy having an even color. I used a semi-permanent color so it wouldn't be too damaging or as damaging as a permanent color. At this point, I felt like my hair was entering another awkward phase though. Like this picture, this was a very bad hair day. And that's when I realized that with locks, it's not always a smooth path upward. There's still going to be some awkward phases while you're growing it out, and you're going to love certain stages and not like other ones. But at the end of the year, I was feeling happier with where my locks were and the color and everything. Right before my 2nd year anniversary, I went back to St. Thomas to enjoy some of that beautiful humidity like I did the first year. And then right after that, I discovered a favorite new style, which was the side-swept braid out. And I would officially play that style out. This picture is totally random, but I love it. My dad tried on my locks briefly. And then in March 2016, I hit my 2-year anniversary. I didn't go back to a professional. I just kept it pretty chill. But I was really thankful for the lessons I learned during this period, just getting more comfortable with my hair, learning not to do too much with my hair and not squander all the blood, sweat, and tears that went into these locks. Because locks are something you work for, they're something you earn, so you shouldn't destroy them. So I hope you enjoyed this 2nd year of my lock journey. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. Let me know where you are in your journey. Stay tuned for year 3 of my journey, and thank you so much for watching.